Don't worry.
No problem.
He go stay. That's not giving us the spirit. I should relax.
Hey, my country people, you guys should spot your benefits, boy. This is Minister Moses. Please, please, share with me in the comment section what's the name of this bird. I don't know the name of this bird that is making him to be scared to this level. Yes, so you guys can see this is your minister, your gospel minister, Minister Moses. Please, he's scared of this bird. He's scared though. At some point, that was when he now later remembered that, hey, he is a minister of God. That was when he now quoted a chapter in the Bible that, hey, God has not given us the spirit of fear. He now stood his ground and became bold and was like, hey, I'm not going to be scared of this bird anymore. You guys should calm down. You are going to see the full video. You're going to see the full video, guys. You guys should just take a look at the video where he was still a bit scared before he later comported himself. Minister, please.
Relax.
Relax.
I'll stay now. I will stay, no worry.
Kai, but anyways, he finally stayed. It is well, my country people, it is well. God has not given us spirit of fear indeed. This video, you guys are not going to pick a lesson from here. Me, I picked a lesson that no matter how it is, there are times in our lives that something will just come up and we will be scared. But as children of God, as Christians that we are, we should always have a reminder in our hearts that whenever we are faced with something that will make us be afraid, yes, we are born to be afraid. Sometimes because of the humans that we are kind of afraid sometimes, but we should always have a reminder in our hearts that we are children of God and we are not ought to be afraid. We are not ought to be scared. Yes. All right, guys, I hope you guys picked up a lesson from here. Please do well to like this video and share your thoughts with me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.